Alright, in order to replace this for this toilet that you see here we have the new one. The red one is the new one. This is the old one. This is the part number that you see here. All you have to do, as you can see here, it has a thread, and you will have to unscrew it. So you screw it, and you screw this back in, and that's it. Alright, so as you can see here, we just open this valve, everything it works. I just replace it. You just type this up. That is the model number, as you can see. And for now, it looks fine. We will have to see. Right, so as you can see, this is the new one. No, I don't see streams of water going there, so we should be good. All right, so as you can see, in the video it's a little bit complicated to show you because, the space is very tight. But I was talking with the customer after I replaced the flapper. They had two toilets, so I did the job in both toilets with the new part, and he told me that everything works great after a few days of me doing this, right? I've been in his house like 2 or 3 days ago. So basically, you grab this stick that you see here. You have to pull this up, and then put your fingers like that or like this, and then grab the stick here, and then basically you have to unscrew it. Unscrew it, very easy. Just remove the chain, and then screw it back with the new one, and that's it. So everything was successfully, and that was the solution.